cool. It's a nice sunny day today. I'm here in the Menominee again, over in Stevenson Island. I just had to come back. Let's see what we can find today. Is your lure going that way or this way? It's just straight out. Am I bothering right here? I'm gonna go up this way. Yeah. Yeah. Current gets pretty strong out there. Yeah, I'm kicking the whole time. I got 20 pounds of lead on my waist, 16 pounds in my vest. So I'm staying low, grabbing rocks and kicking. It ain't easy. If it was easy, everybody would be doing it. Hey, do you mind if I go past that and go that way? All right, thank you. Guy's still alive. Wow, he's struggling though. Not really. Well, I seen that one over there. Saw that one. He's swimming a little bit. I'll give you a couple lures here. I'll come over by you. Yeah. Grab a couple out of there. Merry Christmas. Thanks for letting me pass you. I got a bunch of line all over me right now. I get this off before it wrecks my gear. Yeah.
Thanks.
Did you grab a couple?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. No problem. Thanks for letting me pass. I don't want to be a burden to you.
I couldn't believe what I seen. I seen a lot of videos.
Oh, did you?
Oh yeah, I've seen Bob for a long time.
Oh, awesome. Thanks for watching my channel. Just trying to kind of give back here. You live 4 hours away and you guys watch my videos?
Yep.
Wow.
I fish on the Fox and all this.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I go to the Fox a lot too.
You guys do a great job.
I appreciate it, man. Thank you. What's your name? Eric? It's not just you, it's a third person seen from a different angle. And they're like, oh, that guy's diving by that fisherman. What? You got one? I didn't see it. One sucker down there. Probably that big walleye I saw. Oh, sucker, eh? Oh. Yeah, it's a big one I saw just chilling down there. Yeah. Well, he's coming in pretty easy. Look at that. Wow. Oh, wow, yeah.
Been over here all day. It's finally about time I get a big one.
Maybe that was your good luck charm.
Yeah, right? I've always wanted to meet you.
Right.
Nice.
It is nice. Well, thanks, Eric.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah, you too. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh, oh. Awesome. Oh, awesome. Cool. Oh yeah. Got a couple old bottles. A lot of old buttons. Old hubcap. This mason jar is really old. So, old Chevy hubcap. Hey, do you want me to go around you, or can I come through? Good? Thank you. Yeah. You watch my videos or what?
Yeah, I subscribed to you like a couple weeks ago.
Oh, you get a free lure, man. Yeah. Go ahead. Take any lure you want out of there. What's your name? Ray?
Ray Jose.
Oh, cool. Nice to meet you, man.
I'm from Puerto Rico. I've been here for 8 years now.
Oh,
Yeah.
what do you like seeing most about my videos? Like just all the lures I get, or?
Yeah. Oh, no, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Yeah, man. Keep it up.
Yeah, thank you. And I'm trying to clean up the waters, like trying to get trash out of there and plastic and line.
A lot of people leave their trash like everywhere, man. That's not good, you know. So, I appreciate what you're doing right now.
Well, thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'll try to remember your name next time I see you.
All right, man.
Thanks for letting me pass.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, he was hanging around this lure right here, so try this lure, maybe you'll get him. I'll throw it up by you. He was hanging around right by this lure. Maybe if you start casting it, he might hit it.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey guys, hop on in. Good day for a dive. You guys can help me pick up some of this trash here. Did you lose some? You what? Oh, you want me to unsnag you? I'll be right there. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, sure. Sit to your snare gun. Do you golf at all?
Oh yeah.
Oh, this one's broke.
That's alright.
But here's a nice blade bait for you. I'll throw it over to you.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Thanks for the donations. Yeah. Day 3 in a row. Came down to the Menominee River, Stevenson Island here. Check this out. Got a bunch of these old cans, old bottles. Look at this old thing here. That's pretty neat. Got an old Chevy hubcap over here. Old pot. Look at all those lures. Some customs in there. Bunch of just random lures again. It's a good day, good dive. Time to get to work at home.